2024 is definitely not going the way that Justin Barcia probably envisioned, especially the last race in Glendale, finishing in 18th position, qualifying in 13th. Just not a very good start. And in a now deleted post, I was going to make this this video the other day, and then I looked for it today and couldn't find it, and I looked. It's fully deleted, but he posted this. Justin Barcia said, quote, "Disappointing weekend in Phoenix. We tried multiple settings throughout the day, and it never fixed the issue I am having. Bike put me down twice in the main, and I really struggled to get anything together. Looking forward to a weekend off, gives us some time to figure things out. Fans are epic in Phoenix, blah, 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 blah." The question is, though, why is this deleted? It's a normal post saying, hey, some problems are here. Is it like, did somebody on the team or did somebody, you know, TLD or gas, whatever you want to say, hey, no, you can't post this. Like, you can't say that the bike is bad. Or maybe it was just him saying, yeah, well, whatever. I don't need that going out there. Or you got a lot of hate on the post. Who knows? I never saw the actual comments for it. It was just funny looking at it today or looking for it today and been going like, huh, well, this is weird. This is just gone. Okay. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you think, one, how long do you think Justin Barcia lasts in general? I personally, I like him. I think he's fun for the sport. And I think I'd say probably another 2-3 years. Let's give it that. But I want to hear your guys' opinion on it. And two, do you think it's the bike or what do you think's going on? Just whatever you want. Comment down below. Did you like Glendale? Do you like the track? Who do you think's going to win overall this year? Whatever it is, I don't care. Just comment something down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.